Penkalamkari Tussar silk saree, very elegant, acid washed, boiled, beautiful tussar with a beautiful pallu here. The base color is the same natural color of tussar, that is a sandal color, and you can see the pallu having beautiful elephants, blue elephants as well as pink elephants here in a completely an animal pattern. We also have birds, you can see the flying swans and the ducks. Very elegantly the painting colors are also used, colorful beautiful pallu it is, very different to rare collection, beautiful hand painting work, and the same color is given for the blouse piece also with here and there beautiful floral design hand paints. The saree is done very beautifully in a half and half pattern. The top half is completely plain with the zari border alone, and the lower half we have the forest design. The same pallu color design is given all over. You see very elegantly the colors are used, blue, pink and mild beautiful colors, and completely the colors used here are organic vegetable dyes. No form of synthetic chemicals are used. It is completely a hand painting work to paint and painted using natural colors, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari Tussar silk saree, premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. On it the Penkalamkari work is done. Original, natural, traditional Penkalamkari. The Vriksha background, we have a beautiful peacock design, a very traditional beautiful design of the Penkalamkari fabric, and we have same color, the sarees and base tussar color itself, the natural color of tussar with hand painting work in the blouse, small flowers all over the saree. It's a floral pattern, very beautifully it's been done using multiple different colors. The base of the saree is the natural color itself, and the colors used here are also vegetable natural colors it is. No form of synthetic chemicals are used, penned and painted originally by the natural colors here, and it is a pure Penkalamkari traditional tedious process, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure Penkalamkari Tussar silk saree, a very beautiful hand painting work done on tussar by tussar silk, a lightweight and beautiful saree, acid washed boiled tussar fabric, very elegant design. Here we have a saree with beautiful pallu. The pallu is in yellow base, peacocks, the contemporary, always traditional peacock design is hand painted here using beautiful colors. The background we have the florals also. We also have a zari lines pallu. It's a big pallu. You can see hand painting pallu as well as zari lines with same yellow blouse piece. The blouse piece is also hand painted using the kodi and the floral pattern. And the saree here is in the base color of the tussar itself, the tussar color, light gold mix sandal color. Very elegantly the peacocks as well as the floral pattern is hand painted all over. Penned and painted using the natural colors. Here we have only the vegetable extracts used for the painting, no synthetic dyes are used. We also have the zari borders, which is very pretty. Beautiful collection with contrast blouse and pallu, and this is pure tussar, comes with authentic silk mark as well. Thank you. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on tussar by tussar, a very beautiful soft acid washed boiled tussar fabric. This is the pallu of the saree, excellently hand painted design, beautiful floral design pallu on red base. The same red is given for the blouse piece, beautiful floral in the blouse piece. The saree have jari borders on both sides. The base color is given in green, pretty green color, and we have a border concept in the lower half in blue base, beautiful big flowers, and the top part is completely floral. We also have a red border in the top portion. Beautiful design, you can see part by part it is done. Completely natural vegetable color dyes used for painting the saree. Written and hand painted. You see the beautiful finish. 16 tedious processes and was 35 days to complete a saree. It's a pure form of Penkalamkari, a traditional painting method on pure tussar, and saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on pure tussar by tussar silk, a very beautiful fabric, soft and lightweight acid wash boiled tussar fabric. We have an yellow base color pallu and blouse piece here, completely hand painted blouse piece with border design in blue color, a very contrast one. And we have a very beautiful saree here, painted one, split it into very beautiful work. The half The lower half is in red base, upper half in almost blackish brown color. On the top we have a beautiful ball design in blue, completely floral design given using excellent natural color dyes. Organic saree, completely vegetable dyes used here, no synthetic or harmful chemicals. And the saree takes almost 16 tedious processes, 35 days to complete under normal climatic conditions. A pure form of pen kalamkari, hand written and hand painted on pure tassa. The saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure pen kalamkari tassa silk saree, a very elegant and beautiful saree, completely done in a hand painting, and it's a pen kalamkari pure work. The pallu of the saree here is in half white base color itself. We have beautiful peacock design, traditional pen kalamkari design it is, with colorful variksha and beautiful pattern. The green is also given in the pallu, and we also have the same green, light green and blue mixed shade color for the blouse piece as well, with lotus design hand painted. The complete saree is in same color, almost like a turquoise green and blue mixed shade. And we have the pen kalamkari painting work done in a square shape in here and there design, and you can see it's very different. Pen kalamkari in a very beautiful and different work. Completely the natural colors are used, penned and painted using natural colors only, with a zari border in the saree. Very elegant hand painting work done very beautifully, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari tassa silk saree, a very beautiful traditional form of pen kalamkari done on tassa by tassa, acid washed premium quality tassa fabric, soft and lightweight, beautiful artwork. And you can see a light sandal color, mild green and mixed sandal it is. And we have the pallu having beautiful two peacocks. You can see the colors, very elegant peacock colors are used here. Mild and beautiful saree with excellent pallu. And we have a floral pattern in the same base color, pallu color. Beautiful floral design painted in the blouse piece. Complete saree is having zari border as well. And the saree here is done in a mild peach and orange mixed shade. A very different design, the floral, but it's a very different flower done using mild colors. A beautiful form, a very different and rich pen kalamkari done using natural vegetable dyes, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari tassa silk saree, a very elegant, beautiful and traditional pen kalamkari hand painting and drawing design on pure and soft, very elegant tassa fabric. The pallu here is in tassa color itself with beautiful floral design hand painted using the natural color dyes, and same color blouse piece with single flowers painted here and there. The saree is very elegantly done in the same color. Here no contrast concept, just the tassa color with mild green tinge is used here. All over the saree with a very big and beautiful flower design as well as a leaf and floral design painted all over. And we also have a kind of brick red color borders which is also hand painted. It is a Kodi design. Excellent and beautiful design with zari borders, a completely hand painted design. It involves almost 30 washes for the saree, and it is very, very traditional and time consuming tedious process. It is still the very special design of South India done on the tassa, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari tassa silk saree, a very elegant soft acid wash tassa, and on the same fabric the completely pen kalamkari drawing design is done, penned and painted using natural colors. This is the pallu of the saree. You can see a beautiful mild tassa color, like green mixed sandal color. On it the floral pattern is done. Pallu is very pretty here, multiple colors used for the pallu, and same way the same design, completely the floral design is given in the blouse piece with the same combination color. Contrast to the body. The body here is a beautiful yellow shade painted in yellow. You can see the floral, very different design pen kalamkari it is. You can see the natural hand painting, penned and painted using vegetable dyes. Completely the vegetables are converted into colors, and same colors are used here. It involves 30 washes and very premium and a traditional process of South India. And the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Grab the artwork soon. Thank you. Pen kalamkari tassa silk saree, a beautiful soft lightweight acid wash tassa. On it, beautiful hand painting work, the pure pen kalamkari work is done. Here we have a running pallu with beautiful hand paints, the circle pattern. Inside it, the pen kalamkari peacocks are drawn. You can see the work in the pallu, very pretty one. And we have a contrast plain blouse piece in the natural color of tussar, the half white color with just the borders in both sides, that is also hand painted. And here we have a same light orange shade saree with the lotus design here and there done, along with the peacock, circles peacock done all over. Excellently it's been done. You can see the hand painting work. It's penned and painted using natural color dyes, no form of synthetic chemicals in the saree. It's a perfect organic pen kalamkari done on pure tussar by tussar, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari tussar silk saree, a very beautiful acid washed boiled tussar. On it the pen kalamkari hand painting work is done. Here we have a very elegant pallu with blue base for the hand painting work. Blue and yellow both are given in the mid portion, and we also have the zari lines in between, and we have the tussar color, the base silk color blouse piece with all over painting work, which is the Kodi pattern done in a floral design. And the saree here have a beautiful starting part of the pallu, which is in the peacock design, contemporary traditional peacock design, that is always in pen kalamkari. And we have a black body. All over the body we have the floral design. Contrast colors are used for the black, which is very pretty, very beautiful too. And it is a completely natural color dye saree. Only the vegetable extracts are used for painting the saree with a zari border in both sides. It's a beautiful hand painting on tussar, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari on tussar silk saree, a pure tussar by tussar fabric, boiled acid washed and beautiful fabric. On it the complete hand painting work is done. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, a big peacock design on the base of maroon in the pallu. You can see a beautiful peacock with multiple colors, with the big feathers also. Very elegantly the pallu is done, and we also have a zari lines as usual in the pallu, which is in the base color of the saree silk itself, the sandal half white cream color. Same way the blouse piece is also in the sandal cream color, and the floral pattern is painted all over the saree. And here the saree is also in the very beautiful, almost a light gold shade color. And you can see the borders in both sides. It's a zari border, and all over it is being painted using the very different kind of painting. It's a floral, but it is different, very elegant one, like an orchid one. It is painted using the natural colors. No form of chemicals are used in the saree. It's completely the vegetable extracts are used for painting the saree here. Beautiful saree, very elegantly hand painted and painted using the natural colors, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar pen kalamkari silk saree, a very beautiful hand painted pen kalamkari on acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very elegant saree with the pallu, that is in a peacock design. The big pallu it is. Base color is dark maroon, and on it the peacocks are done. Two different beautiful peacocks with lot of colors in it, in a Variksha pattern. And we also have the zari lines with the Kodi pattern as usual, with the sandal light gold color blouse piece with all over hand painting work. Kodi pattern again, the floral one. And the saree here is in beautiful color, the deep blue, ink blue in a deeper shade color, completely natural color dyed one. You can see the finish of the saree. Here and there this color will be lighter and darker. That is the nature of the dark color, the natural color. And here the water lily and water plants are painted very elegantly, vertically it's been done, along with the lotuses and the flowers. The natural color dyes, only vegetable extracts are used here. It's an organic saree with zari borders in both sides and done on pure tussar, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure acid washed boiled tussar fabric, a lightweight, very elegant fabric it is. And here a very beautiful saree in the base tussar color itself. The pallu here is in grey base. You can see the beautiful dual peacock design. The peacocks are very elegantly done using multiple colors, and we also have a beautiful border which is in the pallu with zari lines also. The same tussar colors given for the blouse piece as well, with the all over painting work done in the Kodi pattern, small flowers. And the saree here is also in the same color shade, almost a light gold color. The saree finishing is there with a beautiful design, floral painting all over. It is painted and painted using natural colors, completely hand painted design, really beautiful one. The natural colors are very elegant, and we have the tussar zari border also. Both sides the zari border is given, which is very rich. Excellent saree in a golden color shade, completely hand painted on tussar, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari tussar silk saree, a very elegant tussar by tussar silk. On it the hand painting pen kalamkari work is done. It is an acid wash boiled beautiful tussar silk, and here the saree is very beautifully done. The pallu is a big pallu. We have painting design as well as the zari border design. Zari border design is simple with Kodi pattern, and we have the painting design on the base of deep pink. Beautiful peacocks. You can see a dual peacock with lot of colors and beautiful feathers. Really pretty, elegant work. And we have the same beetroot pink color blouse piece with all over hand painting work. The Kodi design hand painted in it again. And the saree here is in beautiful green shade, painted in green, and the floral work is done all over. The lower half of the saree we have big mango design. All over the saree the mango design comes. Really beautiful, different design. Completely penned and painted using the natural color dyes. Only vegetable extracts are used. No form of synthetic chemicals are used in the saree. And we also have zari borders, which is adding beauty to the saree. Really beautiful saree, pure tussar, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari tussar silk saree, a very beautiful tussar by tussar silk, boiled acid washed beautiful quality tussar it is. On it the pen kalamkari traditional work is done. The pallu here is very beautiful, base of red, almost a maroon shade. On it the elephant's design is done. 2 elephants, you can see the beautiful elephants under the tree, and we also have the regular lines pattern also in the pallu. It's a big pallu with blouse piece that is in the basic tussar color itself, and we have hand painted floral design. And the saree here, very beautiful tassels is also done in the saree, and the saree here is in deep blue in a deeper shade. All over it has been painted using the blue, and we have the water lily concept painted all over using the natural colors. The complete saree is in natural color dye only. No synthetic chemicals are used in the saree. A purely penned and painted using natural color dyes, and the saree also have a beautiful zari border. Excellent tussar silk saree with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari tussar silk saree, premium quality, completely a boiled acid washed soft lightweight tussar silk. On it the painting work is done. Pen kalamkari, very beautiful painting design, and here we have a very pretty peacock, a big peacock with all her feathers. You can see it's really beautiful. Multiple colors used, and the base of the peacock is yellow here with the as usual design, the zari lines in the pallu. It's a big pallu with the peacock design as well as the zari lines, and we have the same yellow color for the blouse piece, yellow base with floral design hand painted all over the saree. And the saree here is in beautiful shade, a grey shade, that is too with a mild pink tinge, different color, very rare color, and it is completely a natural color, painted using the grey, and on it the beautiful floral pattern, Kodi pattern is done all over. You can see a very different design, and completely natural vegetable dyes are used here. No form of synthetic chemicals are used in the saree, penned and painted using natural color dyes. Experts do this work, and we have zari border in both sides, which adds beauty to the saree. Very elegant tussar pen kalamkari with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari tussar silk saree, a very beautiful boiled acid washed fine quality tussar fabric. On it the pen kalamkari painting work is done. Here we have a beautiful pallu. The pallu have 2 portions, zari lines portion and a blue portion in the top. That is a fish motif kind design, a very different design. You can see a big flower design. Surrounding it the water lotuses as well as the fishes are done. And also we have the zari lines as usual, and we also have the Kodi pattern in that. And next to that we have the blouse piece, which is in the body color itself, the natural silk color, all over Kodi design, floral pattern painted. And here we have the body is also in the sandal base color, the usual tussar color. And it is also in the water lily and lotus pattern. The complete floral pattern done here is in water lily, water flower concept it is. Really beautiful colors. The colors used are natural color dyes. Vegetable extracts are used for the coloring. And the synthetic dyes are completely avoided in the saree. And the saree also have a beautiful zari border, golden zari border in both sides. Beautiful pen kalamkari on tussar, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari tussar silk saree. A beautiful tussar. Original acid washed boiled beautiful tussar silk saree. On it the pen kalamkari painting work is done. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, long pallu. Top of the pallu we have the blue base and the fishes design, lotus and the pond concept in the pallu starting, and the as usual the zari lines as well as the painting design, that is also very different here, beautifully done. And we have the very contrast green blouse piece. Blouse piece also have the very elegant floral design, Kodi pattern, hand painted all over. And the saree here is in very different shade, two shades actually. The top portion is completely painted in pink. Almost a beetroot is used for this, so beetroot pink here with the lotus design. All water plants only given in the saree. The top and the bottom we have the pond concept with the fishes and the lotuses. Really beautiful concept. The color choices are really beautiful. Completely natural color dyes are used for the saree. No form of chemicals or synthetic dyes are used. And we also have the zari borders, a pure penned and painted using natural color dyes on tussar silk saree, and it comes with authentic silk mark.